Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even hang my toes.
Hey guys, it's me, and I'm coming to you today to show you a brief morning routine that I do with my starter locks. It's really not much. First I just take this off. They look like this, stuck to my head and all that. So I take my spray bottle. This is what it looks like. And this consists of water, wild hair growth oil, and this. So these are my oils that's inside of my water. Just get a little close up of this. And this is my wild growth hair oil. So I put all of that in this bottle, just a couple of drops, not that much to where it just weighs your hair down, just enough to give you a little shine and moisturize your scalp a little bit and all of that. So I just shake it up, get everything going. And I have it on mist, so I don't know if you can see it, but that's all. It's not just super wetting my scalp up, and you just spray it. And once I get everything standing, I'll just make sure they're kind of going the right direction. If any of them still just feel like super dry, I may spray them again because I do have a few that feels dry. So I just pull them all apart. I'm not really putting a lot of effort to it. I'm just pulling them, the ones that seem a little stuck. I do have some that feel like they want to come loose, so I really don't bother them too much. I just let them be until my next retwist. So I do have some that's trying to unravel at the end or whatever it's doing here. I don't know. So yeah, like I said, for the dry ones that I have, I'll give it another little mix. After that, I put my makeup on and I go out the door. Locks aren't meant to be perfect, and I think I'm starting to realize that, and I'm like happy with that. It's just like, just go. So I'm going to put my makeup on and I'll be right back. And this is the finished product. And this is 1 week update. Well, I already did my 1 week update, but I just wanted to show you my morning routine. So this is how my hair looks like, maintained or whatever, a week later. So